Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Authenticator backup codes. But first things first, let me apologize for taking a video like this, and the reason is Google Authenticator actually blocks out screen recorders. All you see is a black screen due to security issues, but that's fine. We're going to make the best out of it. Now, first, we want to go ahead and access our settings, okay? So I'm accessing my settings right here. I'm going to scroll all the way down. I'm going to click on Google, okay? Now this is my Google services. So first you need to choose your email. So this is the email I want to do this for. And then click on a Google account. Okay. Once you've clicked here, I want you to slide here to the left so that you can see security. Now, under security, I want you to scroll down. You see this two-step verification. It's turned off. First, we need to actually turn two-step verification on and connect it with Google Authenticator so that we can actually get our backup code. Okay, so click on this two-step verification, and then once this loads up, I want you to come here and put in your password for your phone. There we go. I've put my password in. Now I can just scroll down, turn on two-step verification. Okay, as you can see right here, click on the Authenticator app and add the Authenticator. So click on Setup Authenticator. I'll come on my other phone right here. So this is my Google Authenticator. I'll click on the plus icon at the bottom right, and then I'll just click on Scan a QR code. Let's go ahead and scan that QR code. And as you can see, I have the code right there. Now, once you're done with that, I can come here at the bottom right, click on Next, and let's enter this code that I see right there. So it's 252443. Okay, we're going to verify this. There we go. We should have the authenticator set up. So now that we have this set up, I can turn on two-step verification. So that has been turned on. Now, I want you to come here and click on Back. Okay, now you see this security code. So I'll click on this. This is where we can generate our backup codes. I have put in my password. Okay, now there we go. I'll press enter and let me hide that code. So these are my security codes. So when you forget your password and when you're signing in from a new device, you can use these codes and literally utilize them. These are your backup codes, okay? And it's really that easy and simple.